Hi, Kerry here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. I work with small businesses and entrepreneurs to help them manage their business finances in QuickBooks Online. If you're not sure if you're using the best plan for your business, check out my plan comparison below. Be sure to watch right to the end for useful tips for your business. Another great tool in the new QuickBooks Online Advanced plan is tasks. You can assign tasks to members of your team and they'll receive an email reminder. Let's look at how to set that up.
Now, typically, when you're logged into your QuickBooks Online Advanced file, you're going to see both tasks on the left-hand side here and a task icon. Now, the beautiful thing about this task icon is that for you, it's going to show up no matter what page you're on pretty much. For some reason, the file that I'm using does not have this cool little task icon, so I'm going to be going into it from here, but I wanted to make sure you knew that that's what this little clipboard is when you're looking at your file. So here we go here, tasks. See, I don't have that cool clipboard. And I'm going to add a task. And I'm going to name this credit card reconciliation. And the reason I'm adding a credit card reconciliation is because my credit card statements come in at a funny time in the month and I want to be reminded. So I'm going to assign it to myself and I'm going to say that it's going to be due on, let's say, the 15th of September. And I'm going to make this recurring, which is really cool. So I have the option of putting a due date here or making it a recurring task, in which case I'm going to say that on September 15th, every month, well, I guess on the 15th every month, 15th of the month, and I'm going to have it never stop. I'm going to need to do a credit card reconciliation. You could put in a reminder for running reports, sending invoices, doing irregular bank reconciliations, whatever you want. And the beauty of this is that once you've set it up, the person you've set it up for will get an email reminder. So when I click save here, what that will do is it has set up all of these reminders. Look at this. So here it is, credit card reconciliation, created by me, assigned to me, due on September 15th. Once it's done, I can mark it complete. I can, of course, edit it, mess around with it, but this is a really great way to manage the tasks that need to be done in QuickBooks by your team, which is fabulous. So if I complete this one, its task is marked as completed. It doesn't say it's completed. Let's just refresh this page and see what happens.
Well, I broke that in my test file. I can't go back to show you anything further because I no longer have tasks in that file. So hopefully you've seen enough to get started, and I hope you have more luck. Download the month-end checklist below and add some of those items to your tasks. If you follow all the steps each month, you'll have a good handle on your business finances. Let me know how you get on. Hopefully you had more success than I did. Make a note in the comments below. Cheers.